My name is Bernhard Schuchert and I'm responsible in the CLAAS group for the global IT. CLAAS is a manufacturer from mainly harvesting machines, but also tractors and other harvesting equipment. We have roughly close to 12,000 employees and they are distributed all over the world, but we have a main footprint in Europe. When I started at CLAAS, we had a quite difficult solution in the wide area network. Then we consolidated into one MPLS solution, which was also managed by only one provider worldwide. The drawbacks on this solution was that we had only 4 internet breakouts globally. And this is not state of the art anymore when it comes to new technologies like cloud solutions, and also the increasing demands on bandwidth is one of the reasons why we choose a new provider and a new solution. As I said, we in CLAAS, we have a lot of different locations all over the world, and therefore we have in a highly centralized IT environment the demand for a really reliable and also scalable network. We get more and more international locations, therefore we have to be flexible in the world, fast in terms of building up new locations, which can happen everywhere. And therefore it's important to have a good WAN provider which is also following these demands. When you choose a new provider, it's always very important that you have all the aspects, the cultural aspect, the team, the external team has to fit to the internal team. Both companies have to fit together also in the cultural way, and therefore it's important that you look, when you look for new providers, also on this aspect, not only on the technology. Technology is a must, of course, but all this people business is also important. As I said before, in our old solution we had only 4 worldwide internet breakouts. Now with this new flexible SD-WAN solution we are able to have internet breakouts in each and every location if you want to. And when it comes to usage of new technology like cloud solutions, you have to have more internet access. And it also helps us to get the internet traffic out of our SD-WAN on the special sites. And this is also something which is cost efficient, and with the security on top from open systems, we can manage it on the same rule, same security in each and every location. The CLAAS network has around about 180 locations worldwide, and when you look geographically, then it comes from China in the east, going over Russia down to Omaha in US and Argentina in South America. When we decided to go into a new network, we prepared ourselves, we made a plan, we made a list of all our locations. We collected the demands, what is necessary in terms of bandwidth, availability in these different locations. And when we had all this finished, we started the provider selection. And of course, we discussed this network, this layout of the network together with open systems. We found it very professional, very open-minded, and we discussed also different solutions in terms also of financial things, because in the end of the day you have to pay for the network, and the increasing demand in terms of bandwidth is, for example, now a little bit lowered because we have more internet breakouts and we don't have to deliver internet traffic over very expensive MPLS lines. CLAAS is still a family business. We are a mid-sized company. We are not one of the big corporates. And of course, we have a special culture in our company, and the culture of our providers has to fit to our culture. Otherwise, it will be always a little bit difficult. We have to be on the same page, on the same level of communication. And this is important also in the day-to-day business when it always comes to some issues, to some tickets, problems you have to solve. The team, both the external and the internal team, they have to work together as one team. The cooperation with open systems, especially on the working level, and this is the feedback I get from my team, is very open, from a very, very high technical skill on both sides. And this helps also for a better understanding of each problems we have together. And the feedback from the team is very good. The team and the behavior of open systems in our project was always open-minded, and we solved the problems in a very, very team-oriented way. It's the technical expertise, but it's also the culture. This is one of the reasons why we have chosen open systems. And of course, it's also the quality of the solution.